Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G data speed test comparison between the MI11X versus the OnePlus 9R device. As you can see, friends. So in this video, I'll be using the Idea SIM, which is a vSIM as well, which is a 4G SIM. So let's see which phone will be able to capture the most of the 4G data network and which phone will be having the highest 4G data recorded. So at the same time, I'll be using the same SIM as well at same location. So in this way, I'll be able to do the 4G data and we'll get to know which phone has how much capability in terms of the 4G data reception. And in case if you're enjoying this kind of 4G data speed test comparison, so make sure to type in the YouTube 4G data Sai Tech Guru. You'll get all my videos which are uploaded recently in terms of comparison, so you can really understand, friends, how much capable the both phones are in terms of the 4G data. So first, let's start the test by using the MI11X device first. So I did install the SIM in this phone. So there's actually SIM in the device at the moment, which is Idea SIM, as you can see, friends, right now. So which is Idea network, which is a vSIM as well. So I'll try to use the speed test application in this phone in the beginning, and then I'll try to use in the OnePlus or 9R device. So let me try to quickly open the speed test. So it is a speed test application which is open. So first, let's test in this MI11X how much I was able to get at this point of testing right now. So right now, as you can see, friends, I'm getting about close to 40 Mbps. Initially did reach, so it went up to 40 Mbps in the beginning. So even let's focus on the ping value, how much the ping value is. So 19 milliseconds and 38 Mbps is the recorded speed in this phone. So same kind of SIM I'll try to use in this OnePlus 9R, and then we'll be able to test the speeds, how much this phone is capable of getting. And upload speeds, 14 Mbps of upload speeds, that's another good advantage. So now let's do the testing again. Second time I'm trying to do. So every time I'll try to do the 2 times or 3 times of testing, so we'll get to know average. So in the second time of testing, I got about 30, 41, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 50 Mbps speeds. As you can see, friends, let's see whether the end will be 50 or not. Just miss, yes, 52 Mbps, friends, in this phone, in this MI11X device. 52.3 Mbps. That's a really huge 52 Mbps in my location. So this is actually more than my Wi-Fi connection. So definitely my Wi-Fi connection is pretty slow, 40 Mbps only at the moment. So this is the 50 Mbps speeds I'm getting here. As you can see, highest speed 50 Mbps. So let me try to remove the SIM card. So I'll try to keep this maximum score here itself. So it is a SIM, so which I did remove just now. This is Idea SIM. So at same time, I'm trying to transfer in the real time. So as I said, I don't want to pause the video because you should know exactly I'm trying to use the same SIM card only in both phones, so not any other SIM card. So that I cannot, I don't want to even manipulate this kind of testings, because it's a really good honest testings. So most of the people, they will definitely rely on my videos. So that's why I'll try to be honest every time I make this kind of videos. So I'll just try to show you the fact, friends, which phone is what, because all the phones which I've reviewed in my channel are definitely bought with my own money. So that's why I don't want to be any kind of partiality with any kind of manufacturer phones. So right now is the 4G data test which has been started in this OnePlus 9R device. As you can see, a OnePlus 9R, and I was able to get up to 41, 42, 43 Mbps, 41, 42, 43. So ping value, you can see 28 milliseconds the ping value. So that is another thing which will focus on. 50 Mbps it did reach in the first time testing itself. In the first time testing only it reached up to 50 straight away. So let me try to do the second time. And the upload speeds are definitely off the speeds of this MI11X device. You can clearly see, friends, 14 versus 5, you can clearly see there's a huge difference. That's another annoying thing in this phone. But let me try to do the test second time. Let's see in the second time how much. Even the second time the results were really good. It's maintaining like equal score every time, 51, 52. Sorry, friends, I think after doing so many speed test reviews, my internet data is completely getting exhausted right now. 6 MB is left at the moment. I think this is my last data test for today. So these are my results, friends. So finally I completely exhausted my 4G data. So with this kind of final testing, and these are the results. So let me quickly compare. So the highest recorded speed is in the OnePlus 9R with a 53.5, 52.3 3 in the Mi11X, so it's not too far. It's kind of same, close to each other. But upload speeds are really good in this Mi11X device. You're getting about 14 Mbps of upload speeds, and ping value 21 and ping value 18 in this OnePlus, as you can see, friends. So this is a quick comparison between both phones, and thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to check the links in description, and make sure to type the 4G data SciTech Guru to get all the results. And thank you for watching, and the final results, these are the results, and both phones should be kind of good in terms of the 4G, not much difference itself. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.